Have you ever wondered about one of Australia's most elusive birds? Meet the little bittern. This small bird is 25 to 35 centimeters long. It's known for its camouflage among reeds. Bitterns can freeze and mimic the surrounding vegetation. Their diet mainly consists of fish, frogs, and insects. Incredibly, they can catch prey with lightning speed. They are also excellent swimmers. Australian little bitterns are considered rare and elusive. Their habitats are wetlands and marshes. Unfortunately, their populations are declining. This is due to habitat loss. Preservation of wetlands is crucial for their survival. So, next time you're by a marsh, keep an eye out. Hit the like button and follow for more.